Ritana ria Kanju ya Iurumwe wa Kiimabururi UN ria Gutuma Mbiraru cia bururi wa Kenya bururiini wa Haiti gutigirira ati ni Makigacerithia Ugitiri mwena ucio kuligana na President Ruto augite ati kana Amemba 13 gatagati ka 15 nio Mahitukiite rendekithia kana ikinya riri riake ria gutuma Mbiraru bururiini wa Haiti.
On the 21st of September, I stood before the General Assembly of the United Nations to express the case for the United Nations Security Council to deliver a framework that would facilitate the deployment of a multinational security support mission to Haiti as part of a holistic multilateral response to the challenges faced by the nation. The resolution marks an important moment in the history of global multilateralism as we engage in international collective action that places human security and dignity at the same level as state security and sovereignty and enables the nations of the world to discharge a collective moral duty of securing justice and security for all peoples of all nations. The people of Haiti, our dear friends, today stand in need. It is our fundamental moral obligation to be their friend indeed by standing with them. The nation possesses excellent international peace mediating, peacemaking, peace building, and peacekeeping credentials. From East Timor and the former Yugoslavia to Eritrea and Angola, all the way to Sierra Leone, we have always stood ready and willing to do our part to bring peace, security, and stability.
Now, Edward